I am starting a new business and it's going to be in the e-commerce space, and it's a product that I have to physically make. In the past, I've tried this before. It didn't really work out quite that well because it didn't sell as fast as I thought it would. And I was using Amazon to sell it. So it was really hard to scale for me at that point in my business when I didn't have enough money to actually reinvest into the business. But this time I'm going to do something a little different. So if you want to follow along, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Now, I'm not going to get into actually what the product is, but I will give you kind of the categories that it's in. It's just a really simple product to make, so I don't want to give away what I'm doing, but it is a fabric type of product where I need to sew things together. So there's actually two different categories that this can fit into. One is the pet product niche and the baby niche, or should I say categories. So the way I came up with this is simply just doing things like around the house. We just had our second child not too long ago, and when you have kids coming into your life, you have a lot of little problems that come up that you just want solved so you don't have to think about it anymore. So if you're a parent, I think you might understand this. And there's a lot of problems when you become a parent that you could actually solve with products or services or even software sometimes. So I came up with this product idea probably about a year ago, and I haven't really done anything with it other than get a prototype made. And I got the prototype back, but the problem was the cost to produce it. So this product is relatively long, I guess you can say. So it takes a lot of fabric to use it, and the fabric I was using was relatively expensive. So what I did, since I had a little bit of time the past couple months, was go in and try to find some sort of different fabric that I can use. I did go and order it from a wholesale website, and it's coming in the mail right now. The next thing I need to do is actually find something or find someone that actually make the second prototype for me so I can test it out and make sure that it works correctly. Once it works, then I have to make sure that I have someone that can create, 100 to 1,000 units a month, just in case this thing actually goes viral or it scales really well. I have someone there to actually create the product for me. Now, there's actually two ways that I'm going to try and sell this type of product. And the first one is just through Amazon, and just to do a little research on what the price point that I could get for this product and the actual profit margins that I would be able to do and the amount of sales that I would be able to do. I actually took an average of some similar products on Amazon. I took the average of their bestseller rank. So the bestseller rank was around 10,000 in the pet supplies category, and the other one was around 30,000 in baby. So what I did was I went to the sales rank estimator and I put these numbers in. So 30,000 in baby would net me about 60 sales a month, and in pet supplies it would net me around 570 sales a month. So just based on numbers, I think I should go with the pet supplies category. It's just going to be a better as far as my return on investment and profit from this product. So I'm just going to give a number of 300 units a month is what I could sell just on Amazon. Now, the other way I could actually do this is to sell through my own website and then use Facebook, Instagram, social media ads to run traffic to my Shopify store or whatever store I decide to set up, and then ship the items out myself. Now, with Amazon, I could just send in my product, get some reviews for it, and then it'll sell. It should sell on its own, especially if I have good reviews from the product, which I think I do, because my product solves the problem a little bit better than the other products in this market. Plus, I may be able to price my product a little bit cheaper too. So not only will the price be lower, but the actual problem solving of this product will be better, if that makes any sense. But let's talk about the other way I'm going to sell this, and that's through my own store. And the thing with your own store is that you control everything. Instead of Amazon controlling what they upsell the customer, you control what you upsell the customer. Plus, Amazon has all the customer data. With your own store, you're going to have your own data, meaning you're going to have the customer's email address, their address, maybe their phone number even, so you can send them text messages, and you could build new products off of that list. With Amazon, you can't really build new products because you can't directly contact the customers who have bought your product before. So basically what the funnel, if you want to call it a funnel, is going to look like is people come to my store, they see the product. It's going to be a one store or a one product store. So it's basically going to be one page and they can buy or leave, and that's it. So they buy, they start to check out. If they start the checkout, you can send them emails if they don't finish the checkout. And then once they buy the product, product, you can offer them more products at a discounted price, because this product that I'm selling is actually a product that you can buy multiple of, because you may need multiple around your house. So we can increase our average order value by using upsells at a discounted price, buying multiple products at a discounted price. They're going to complete their purchase, and now they're a customer for life. So if I at any point in the future decide to create more products in this niche, or for babies or for pets, I already have a list to go to that I could get reviews for Amazon or sales on my website for these products. Plus, when you have your own website and your own data and all that stuff, your own brand of products, it's really easy to sell the business to another person or another company. I'm not saying that I would ever do that. I probably would if for the right number, but it's definitely an option. And with Amazon, you just don't get that. You can't really sell an Amazon business. I think you can in some way, but it's just a lot harder to do than just by selling your own brand and your own website. So I think my overall strategy for this is to, once I get the product, to get it made, to manufacture it. Once I have some manufactured, then I can start building an email list using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ads, and driving traffic to an email capture page. This page will basically say, hey, we're launching soon at a discounted price. Join the email list and you'll get it at the discounted price from this date to this date. So once I'm ready to launch on Amazon, all I got to do is send an email out and people will start buying the product at the discounted price. And then hopefully I can get some reviews from that, and that will really help generate revenue to launch my own website. And then once I have my own website, I'll take the revenue from the Amazon sales, I'll take that, build out the website, build out the funnel, and then start using advertising on social and on YouTube to bring in new customers. And I think the best thing about this strategy is that everything works in the right way. So I'm launching on Amazon, but before I launch on Amazon, I already have a list of customers to sell to. And then when I launch on Amazon, that revenue feeds into the other portion of revenue, which is the actual website. Plus, when I start running Facebook ads and YouTube ads to get people to my store, I already have a list of customers that I can give the ad platforms to lower my ad costs. Because if I know who my customers are and what they bought from me and how much they purchased, I can give that to Facebook and I can give that to YouTube and Google, I should say. So the algorithm says, okay, here's your customer. We'll find more customers just like this, which lowers my ad costs, and it should work pretty seamlessly from there. Now, obviously, this is all theory, and I've used Facebook ads before, I've used Google ads before, I've used YouTube ads before. I have extensive knowledge in both of those platforms, so I know the average cost. I know how to set up a campaign in the right way, especially using CBO campaigns with retargeting and all that kind of stuff. But really, I'm not going to know what is going to happen with this until I get to that point. So I think if you're looking to start a business like this, I think starting on Amazon is a good way to do it, using some money to get some email subscribers and then giving them a discount when it launches on Amazon, and then moving to your own e-commerce store. I think moving directly to your own e-commerce store is a little bit more expensive way to do it, but it's still possible to create a really good business. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. If you have any questions or comments or anything you want, just comment below on this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video to see more of my stuff and to follow along this journey. All right, see you guys later.